In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify sender in Moosend Mail. By the end, you'll have a verified sender address and proper authentication in place so your emails land in inboxes more reliably. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Moosend. Click the official Moosend website in the results to avoid any lookalike pages, then sign in to your account. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the More menu, Open Settings, and select Senders. This is where you'll manage the email addresses and domains you send from. Click Add New, then enter the sender name your recipients should see and the email address you intend to use for campaigns. Double-check spelling and domain before you click Save. Small typos can cause verification to fail later. Moosend will immediately send a verification email to the address you just added. Open your inbox for that address, find the message from Moosend, and click the verification link inside. Head back to the sender's page and confirm that a checkmark now appears under the verified column. If you don't see the email, check your spam or promotions folder and consider resending the verification from Moosend if needed. Next, still on the sender's page, locate your domain and click Set up SPF DKIM. This step authenticates your emails so receiving servers can trust that Moosend is allowed to send on behalf of your domain, which improves deliverability and helps prevent spoofing. Now log in to your domain host. This could be a provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Cloudflare, or wherever your DNS records are managed. Open the DNS management area and add the TXT records that Moosend provides. Copy the host names and values exactly as shown, including any prefixes, quotes, or semicolons. If you already have an SPF record, make sure you merge Moosend's SPF information into that single existing SPF record rather than creating a second one. Most domains should only have one SPF record. For DKIM, create the TXT records exactly as listed and keep the host names and selectors unchanged. Use the default TTL unless your provider requires a specific value. Save your changes and give DNS a little time to propagate. It can be fast, but it may take up to a few hours in some cases. When you're ready, return to the Moosend Senders page and click Verify DNS Records. If verification doesn't pass right away, wait a bit and try again. Recheck for typos, make sure records were added to the correct domain, and confirm that any proxying features are disabled for TXT records if your provider uses them. That's it. Your sender is verified, and SPFs DKIM are set up in Moosend.